In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your LinkedIn username or LinkedIn ID. Whether you're setting up your professional network or simply updating your profile, knowing where to find your LinkedIn username can be really helpful. So let's dive right in. First off, begin by opening your LinkedIn app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app is open, look towards the top of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. You're going to want to tap on that. It's like the gateway to accessing your profile and all your LinkedIn interactions. Now that you've tapped your profile icon, you'll see a page with more options. To get to your profile, just tap your profile icon again, and voila, you're right on your main profile page, which is essentially your LinkedIn home. This is where all your professional information, posts, and activities are stored. Once you're on your profile page, you're going to see a section that says Add Section located around the top of your profile. Right next to that, to the right, are 3 horizontal dots. Tap on these dots. This is a handy button that gives you a variety of additional options. When you tap the 3 dots, you'll see a menu pop up. From the options that appear, tap on Contact Info. This is where LinkedIn kindly stores your profile URL and other essential details. Once tapped on, a new screen will show up, and here at the very top, you'll find your LinkedIn username or LinkedIn ID in the form of a URL. Now, if you're looking to add a personal touch or simply make it easier to share, you can customize this URL. To do that, within the Contact Info section, look to the top right corner where there's a pencil icon. Tap on it. This will let you edit the details shown in that section. Continuing on, after you've tapped this pencil icon, direct your attention to the little external link icon, a blue icon with an arrow. It'll be right next to your profile URL. Tap on this icon and it will take you to a new page specifically for editing. Here you'll see another pencil icon under Edit Your Custom URL. When you tap this, LinkedIn lets you customize what comes after linkedin.com/in/y. Take a moment to create something unique to you, maybe your full name or a professional alias. Once you're satisfied with your changes, don't forget the final step, tapping Save to ensure it keeps your custom URL. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to find and even customize your LinkedIn username or ID. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and tap on the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Happy networking. Happy sauce.